Nice weather today, isn't it?
Yes, it's perfect. I hope it stays like this.
Looks like it might rain. Do you like rainy days?
I do. It's cozy, but I hope I don't get caught without an umbrella.
It's hot today. Do you like summer?
I love it. It's great for going to the mountains.
Do you think it'll snow this year?
I hope so. I'd love to see some snow.
What's your favorite season?
Fall. I love the colors and cooler weather.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I love painting. It's relaxing.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I usually read or go for a walk.
Have you picked up any new hobbies recently?
Yes, I just started learning how to cook.
Are you into any sports?
Yes, I play soccer on the weekends.
Do you enjoy watching movies?
Absolutely. I'm a big fan of thrillers.
How's work going?
It's going well, thanks. Busy but rewarding.
What do you do for a living?
I'm an accountant. It's challenging, but I enjoy it.
Do you work from home or at an office?
I work from home mostly. It's convenient, but sometimes hard to focus.
Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I like it. It keeps me engaged.
Have you been working here long?
About 3 years now. Time flies.
What do you study?
I'm studying psychology. It's fascinating.
How are your classes going?
Pretty good. I have many assignments, though.
What's your favorite subject?
I love history. There's always something new to learn.
Do you have exams coming up?
Yes, in a few weeks. I'm a bit nervous.
Are you involved in any clubs at school?
Yes, I'm part of the debate club. It's much fun.
Got any plans for the weekend?
Not really, just planning to relax and maybe catch a movie.
Did you do anything fun last weekend?
Yes, I went hiking. The views were amazing.
Are you free this weekend?
Yes, I am. Do you have something in mind?
Do you usually relax or stay busy on weekends?
I like to keep it balanced. Some relaxation, some adventure.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, it's one of my favorite things to do.
What's your favorite cuisine?
I love Italian food. Pasta is the best.
Have you tried any new restaurants lately?
Yes, I just tried a Thai place nearby. It was amazing.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, the spicier the better.
What's the best meal you've had recently?
I had an amazing sushi dinner last weekend.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love it. I try to travel whenever I can.
Where's the last place you visited?
I went to Paris. It was beautiful.
Do you have a favorite city you visited?
I think Tokyo. There's so much to see and do.
Are there any places you'd like to visit someday?
Yes, I'd love to go to Australia and see the Great Barrier Reef.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I love it. I just finished a great mystery novel.
What kind of movies do you enjoy?
I'm really into action and adventure films.